welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm talking about is doing lunches. So now that Caitlin is going to kindergarten for the first time ever this fall, so I am trying to make like a lunch system where she packs her lunch herself. But now how to do that is I'm planning on preparing things for her and then just kind of pick. I got this idea from Jordan Page off Fun Cheaper Free. So in here I have all my containers, my lunch containers that I'm going to use. So what we're going to do a few nights before is we're going to make like turkey and cheese sandwiches and peanut butter and jelly, but currently she decided she doesn't like peanut butter anymore. She only likes jelly, so we're probably going to do like turkey and cheese sandwiches. So we're going to put them in their little sandwich boxes. We're going to put them in the freezer, and she'll grab one of those in the morning. I have sandwich boxes, so probably the night or 2 nights before we're going to do a whole big bunch of sandwiches and cut them up with our unicorn cookie cutter. And then that way we'll have lunches, and then we'll put those in the freezer, and then they'll be frozen and then be thawed by the time she has her lunch. So we have some snack containers. We have a salad dressing little thing. It could also work for like ranch or something. Found these at Walmart. Ooh, I forgot to even show that in the Walmart haul. But it's a container, and then on the inside of it that doesn't move around is a dipping type container. So it's going to be great for carrots or broccoli, or even apples with some peanut butter, or caramels. There's 4 of those that we got, of course, in purple. Now, as far as my lunch system goes, back out of the freezer, that will be something she'll grab in the morning. But the night before, we will clean out her lunchbox, or I will probably clean it out after dinner, and then we'll come in here before she goes to bed, and we will go ahead and pack some of her lunch. So to pack her lunch, what she is going to do is she's going to come in and she can get 1 sweets. Now inside the sweets, in these containers, I'm going to have anything that comes from a big bag. So I'm going to try to make containers, and that will switch in and out here and there. It's not all going to be personally wrapped, plus it's easier for her to get them out anyways like this. So in here is chocolate animal crackers, which she really does love. But I have some like Oreo off-brand stuff. We've got some fruit snacks. We've got some roll-ups. We've got just candy. She loves suckers. She could do that if she wants. Just chocolate. So lots of options. Some snack cakes. So lots of options for her to pick one sweet treat. And then in here, she's going to pick one of these. Now these are kind of like ready-made sweet treats and everything. So now we made these together. So these have 3 sections in them. So if she picks this, she actually gets more than her allotment, but then we're using stuff that doesn't cost as much anyways. So in here, we have marshmallows in the bottom, and then we had pretzels in the middle part, and then in the top, we had some peanuts. So she gets some good stuff, some okay stuff, and some bad stuff, but this could be like her snack or for her lunch. So in here is going to kind of be like your carbs. So we've got like Teddy Grahams. We also have little containers of chips. Again, I've already portioned out a lot of this, which is going to be nice, and we're trying to get in the plan of just using that now anyways. We got pretzels. So she'll pick one of these, and there's granola bars that she won't probably eat, but it works for the whole family as well too. But if she wants to take one of these tubes, then we get to use some of the better stuff. So that's going to be for her lunches. So she gets 1 carb, 1 dessert. Here's where I have all the extra stuff. Like we do have cookies in one of those containers for sweets and stuff as well. But here's where I'm putting all the extra. So whenever I need to refill, it's just right there. And up here is all of like my lunch stuff. And then she will pick 2 items. So she gets 1 carb, 1 dessert item, 1 sandwich out of the freezer, as well as your ice pack. And then she can pick 2 items out of the refrigerator drawer. So now we've already made some of these, which has blueberries and grapes in it. So she'll probably take that. Now if she takes this, she probably won't need to take anything else. But if she wants to take an extra one of the healthier type options, that's okay. Now before you comment down below that pudding is not healthy, I understand that, but like I bought that a while back, and like they still kind of haven't ate it, and so if it's here, they're more likely to go ahead and grab it and eat it pretty soon anyways. And I know Caitlin doesn't really like it, so mainly Blake. But here's, we've got pineapple, it's already portioned out. We've got yogurt, again, that Caitlin doesn't really like. So now we have some oranges that she could choose from, apples, applesauce, grapes, the juice, that will probably not be there because she doesn't usually pick it anyway. She's going to have her water most days. And Jell-O is honestly not that bad, so I'll probably leave that as well in here. And here's all my extra fruits, and then I am going to have some vegetable options as well. I'm going to get some broccoli closer to time, and I'm going to just kind of peel it up and put some ranch in those containers I showed you. I'll also probably get some salad and put some like honey mustard in there with it, and maybe, crossing your fingers, she may get that. But as long as we're getting some fruit and some like type of protein, we're doing good. So she's a very picky eater, so we're just trying to get her to do anything that she can. So we're gonna try this lunch system. We'll see how it works. If you have any comments down below of stuff that you like to give your picky eaters, to get them especially to eat vegetables or even fruit. I mean, she eats a lot of fruit, like probably more than she normally should, but like get her to eat protein has been a struggle as well. So so just, yeah, any comments you have on that would be great. So thanks for watching. Remember to hit like and subscribe so you never miss an episode. God bless, be adventurous. See you next time. Bye.